Brenda Avilla-Kintz, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to my latest listing, 2449 Galley Way here in beautiful Stockton, California. Soaring ceilings, a truly open concept floor plan, and ample windows create a California indoor-outdoor living space, perfect for entertaining. Right now, this is an office with beautiful French doors, but it could be a fourth bedroom. The choice is yours. Living here, you'll benefit from the highly rated Manteca School District. Thank you for touring 2449 Galley Way with me. If you have any questions or you would like to tour this home in person, contact me, Brenda Avilla-Kintz, your realtor with solutions for changing lives. Have a great day.